In this video, we will see how to create a searchable drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. In the previous videos, we learned how to create a multiple dependent drop-down list in Excel or to create a simple drop-down in Excel. How about if the drop-down that you create gives you the option of searching in some data or filters some data? Let us see how a combination of different formulas can do this task for us. I have taken some names over here. Ensure that the data range that you have, you convert that into a table. Now, I have converted this into a table. I'll just remove the header row. Okay, this is important because whenever you add names to these tables, they will automatically appear in your drop-down list. So, I will just apply the first formula, search. Now, what do I have to search? I've taken this cell. Whatever I write here, this function will search that data. Where to search? In this data range. Now, what happens is, wherever it finds a match, it will give the value as 1. Okay. Now, if I just press AB, so wherever it is able to find AB, it will give the value 1. For others, it will give the value error. Now, I will modify this formula a bit. I will use the second formula is number. Now, what this formula will do is, if it finds a number, it will give the value as true, otherwise false. So, for first two names, we get true, and for others, we get false. Now, what I need to do is, I need to create a filter. So, I will edit this formula and write filter. To apply the filter, what is my array? My array is these names, comma, include. What does it have to include? It is already in my formula. Now, you see what is happening is, whenever I type something over here, let's suppose I type here ABH. So, whatever names are there in column G, these will get filtered. Okay, so I just type a different one, let's say R. So, all the names which have R in it will get filtered. See, these 5 names had R in their names, so they get filtered. But my ultimate objective is to create a searchable drop down. Now, also, what might happen is, whenever this data is getting filtered, it might not appear in a sorted manner. So, I'll just add another formula to this, sort. What this sort will do? It will sort my drop down list. Now, we have applied all the 4 formulas over here. So, let us now create a drop down list. So, we'll go to data, data validation, and over here we have this option list. We have to define the source. What will be the source? Equal to this cell. Now, it might happen, or you might wonder that why only one cell is being selected, because the data that is getting filtered over here, it might run into a number of cells. So what we do is, we just apply a hash and then press OK. So now here, if I type, let's say AB, now when we click on the drop down list, you will only see the names which have A and B in it. Okay, so it is giving an error now. Let me just correct this, because it did not find AB, so it gave an error. So I'll again go to data, data validation, click on ignore blank. Also deactivate the error alert. Just uncheck this box and press OK. Now When we press AB and click on this, you see only 3 names are appearing. Let me just delete this and show you. Now all these names will appear. So what this cell is basically doing is, it has given me a searchable drop down. Suppose if I need to search a name starting with D, so I'll just press D. Now if I click on this drop down, it will show only the names having D. So this is how you create a searchable drop down list in Excel. We applied multiple formulas, but this was easy. Simple formulas and good output. Hope you like this video. For more related content, do subscribe to our channel. Keep liking, keep sharing. Thank you.